I'm Mindy Lockard, and the countdown is on to 2020. And on today's Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, we are sharing a dessert that your family will ask you to fondue year after year. Fondue has been a tradition in our family for a long time, and I love it on New Year's Eve because, let's be honest, we've got some time to kill until midnight. And so fondue is a great way to get everyone involved, and as the hostess, you can do all of the fixings yourself, or a great thing to do is to ask your guests to bring their favorite dippable sweet. The fun starts on the stovetop. I've made my own double boiler by putting a few inches of water into a large pot and placing a bowl on top. You can use a metal or glass bowl. Into the bowl, I put one 12-ounce pack of semi-sweet chocolate chips. To that, add 1/3 cup coconut milk and 1/3 cup heavy cream. Stir often until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth. You want to make sure that your sauce doesn't boil because this will take the texture from creamy to lumpy, and lumpy's not good. Once your sauce is melted, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour the chocolate sauce into a fondue pot or a small slow cooker to keep the sauce warm while you're serving. Now comes the really fun part of arranging the sweets. We love to use small brownie bites, macaroons, fruit such as strawberries, and then a lot of great dried fruits that you can get into the bulk food section, such as bananas, pineapple, and mango. And let the dipping begin. All you do is just grab, dip, and enjoy. For more family-friendly Gracious Kitchen recipes, visit the blog at marketofchoice.com. Because remember, the best place to talk with our kids is in the car and the kitchen.